Pottery peeps. I was hoping to do a tutorial for this week's video, but pneumonia has just really kicked my butt. I am now fighting just extreme exhaustion. So I'm trying to be smart and not overwhelm myself, which is really, really hard for me to do. But while I wasn't actually working in the studio, I took the time to finally organize my underglaze transfers, my silk screens, my stencils, stamps, and templates, and also I'm reading my binders, also my overglaze decals. And thanks to Mickey, I actually found a product that works better than what I was doing. I was putting, the sleeve protectors, I'm still using some of them, but I found this, Mickey found this, let me just pull one of them out. These folders, and they're Velcro, so you can easily, put back your underglaze stencils. This is a game changer for me because one of the biggest problems with having them in a sleeve, let me find a sleeve. Actually, I just opened that upside down. So, well, I don't have an empty one to show you. Hold on a second. I'm not as organized mentally either as I'd like to be. I think I had a bunch of them in the stencils. I did. Okay. I have a lot of things I have accumulated over the years. A lot. And so these are the sleeves that I used to have my underglaze transfers in. And they worked okay to begin with, but as soon as somebody used an underglaze transfer or started cutting up a sheet and you had a whole bunch of little pieces, they never went back in the sleeves. They were harder to get back in than these other things we found. And so my binder for underglaze transfers was always such a mess. You never find anything. Things would fall out of the binder. And so for the last couple of weeks, I have actually been working on organizing all the stuff, including, this is my stencil binder. So let me see if I can show you. So I can go through here. I've got this one. It's kind of a mix between the sleeves and then also these pocket things for like items, stencils that are somewhat the same, or not the same, but the same family. And like my trees, my bears. I have so many of these, you guys. And I could never find what I was looking for because they literally, stencils especially, were just stacked in a pile and put in a drawer. So I could never find it. So this, having everything in a big binder, and Tess did on her Cricut, she did, she made stickers for all of them. So here are the underglaze transfers. So easy to find, easy to read. I am going to go through and put some tabs in here. Sorry, I have trouble catching my breath. Still, so like for Christmas, Halloween, wilderness, what have you, all the different things, I will eventually go through and add that stuff in. But now I have got a great binder that you can find everything in. I just showed you the stencils, and this one I'm super excited about. These are all the silk screens that I have that I can go through and find what I'm looking for easily, and then they all fit in here and can be put away and be organized. I also did one. This one will go into the house because it'll go in with the glazing, because these are the overglazed decals that I have. One thing I've been able to do these last 3 years while I've been recovering from all the surgeries is shop. That's not a good thing because I actually have some duplicates when I went through these are some of my stamps, these clear rubber stamps. So I have them all in a binder too. And then this one with the templates, let's see, I open it, make sure I don't open it upside down like I just did. Okay, so these are like patterns that I've made, and I've got templates and stuff for them. And so these are like the master copies, so that I can easily find them. I don't have a ton of stuff in this, but I have something falling out here. I better fix that. I have two things falling out. Anyway, I thought this might be helpful because it's sure helpful to me. And it was just time to go through and organize them all so that hopefully when I get back to 100%, I can just hit the ground running and know where my stuff is. So basically, I've been trying to do things that don't exhaust me too much, but like, you know, all my different templates that I've got, these are all the master copies and so forth. And then they all fit in this cabinet over here. So I created a lot of space by putting them into binders so that I could easily find them, they don't get lost, and it just time saver. Don't forget what you've got. Anyway, I will leave the link in the description on where to find these really cool things. Because since they're, let me pull one out. So it was always these extra pieces, you know, when you cut off, when you got a whole bunch of little extra pieces in here. They just never made it back into the sheet protector. I guess that's what they're called. But this one actually holds quite a bit. It's easy to get in and out of. It's easy to see what you have. Anyway, I thought some of you might appreciate that. So I basically have been doing small things, organize, that don't wear me out, because it seems like lately everything's wearing me out. I do have a tutorial for you, Tess. A lot of you guys requested the egg trays that she makes, and so she went ahead and filmed it, and she put it up on her own channel. So I am going to send you over to her channel, because then you get a tutorial, a really fun, fast, easy tutorial that she's been selling like crazy. A lot of people are requesting them from her. So I will link that video in here so you get your tutorial, and hopefully next week I'll have a tutorial. I just need to get on top of this exhaustion. It's really knocked me down. Anyway, I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you can get muddy, and I'll catch you in the next video. One thing I forgot, last weekend I got a new four-legged grandbaby. Mickey's horse had a filly that she is naming Midnight Fable, and so she's just too cute, and we're just loving having a new baby horse in the family. Mickey especially, because it's her horse. I will put some pictures so you can see how adorable this little filly is. All right, we'll catch you next time. Ooh.